Just imagine for a second, tomorrow, the moon vanishes without a trace. What would happen here on Earth? Raging oceans, climates thrown into chaos, and even our planet's own stability threatened. Is this science fiction or a terrifying reality? We're about to find out. And hey, if you enjoy this kind of thought experiment, take a second to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel with the algorithm. Alright, let's dive in. So, what if the moon disappeared tomorrow? It's a thought that's both fascinating and terrifying. Let's break down how its sudden absence would mess with our tides, our climate, Earth's stability, and even our culture. And you'll want to stick around till the end, because the consequences are far more dramatic than you probably imagine. Chapter 1. Tidal chaos, the first and most immediate consequence. Our tides would spin completely out of control. The moon is the main driver of our tides. Its gravity is what creates the reliable cycle of high and low tides, which are essential for marine life and coastal ecosystems. Without it, you can expect total anarchy. Some areas could face sudden, violent floods, while others would dry up completely. The outcome for coastal cities and marine wildlife would be catastrophic. But the chaos wouldn't stop with the oceans. Next up, let's talk about the very stability of our planet. Chapter 2. Earth loses its balance. The second major consequence, Earth's axis itself could start to wobble. The moon plays a crucial role in stabilizing our planet's axis of rotation. Without it, our planet would lose its natural anchor. Just imagine if the Earth's axis started to swing unpredictably. Our seasons could become completely unrecognizable, the day-night cycle would be disrupted, and we could see extreme climate shifts take hold. The world as we know it would be replaced by a planet thrown into total chaos. When the Earth's axis wobbles, it's not just our planet's orientation that changes, but also how sunlight is distributed across the globe. This disruption would be the direct cause of that climate instability. And if the axis becomes unstable, you can bet the climate is next. Let's explore what that would look like. Chapter 3. A radically changing climate. Third consequence. Weather events of unimaginable intensity. Without the moon to regulate our tides and stabilize our axis, the global climate would be profoundly disrupted. We could see extreme weather events get amplified. Hurricanes, massive storms, droughts, and floods would happen one after another, with no relief. This instability would have devastating effects on biodiversity and agriculture, threatening our food security and the balance of entire ecosystems. Finally, beyond all the physical chaos, there's another impact that's often overlooked. Chapter 4. The impact on nightlife and our culture. Fourth consequence. The disappearance of the celestial body that has guided our nights and shaped our very imagination. The moon is so much more than a rock in space. It's a guide, a muse, a symbol. It has deeply influenced our history, our art, and our culture. For centuries, it guided sailors across the oceans, giving them a reliable landmark in the darkness. It inspired countless artists, painters, and musicians who captured its beauty and mystery in their work. It set the rhythm for our calendars and celebrations, with ancient lunar festivals celebrated in cultures all over the world. Our traditions, built on millennia of watching the moon, would lose a core part of their meaning. And without it, countless nocturnal species that depend on its light to hunt or reproduce would be completely lost. In other words, the moon's disappearance wouldn't just change our environment, it would change the way we live and think. Without the moon, Earth would just be a chaotic, broken version of itself. A place where natural disasters are the new normal, where the climate is unpredictable, and where life as we know it would be in constant danger. It's a powerful reminder of how fragile and precious our planet's balance is, and that the moon, even from so far away, is a cornerstone of our ecosystem. So now I want to know, which of these consequences do you find the most terrifying? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next scientific explorations.